Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a great start to your weekend so far. The stock market on Friday continued where it basically left off. For the week, the NASDAQ was up, but more impressive was the action on Friday. Friday, the NASDAQ rallied 0.43% to hit more new highs. Volume was huge, and that's the second big volume session that we see well above average. And if you're living on an island with no ability to know why, you're looking at this and you're thinking that's a major, major bullish confirmation of the current trend. Sadly, we know what these are. This is quadruple witching day on the 20th, and on Friday we had the Russell rebalance. So if you're on an island, yeah, it's probably looking pretty exciting, but in reality, both of the big volume days are skewed, but still, who cares? We got stocks moving, in very exciting ways everywhere. Breakouts aren't flying higher, but there are enough stocks working to keep us from being too freaked out about the slow pace of some of these stocks moving. The Russell 2000 closing at 1189.50, puts it above the 1188.43 close, which was kind of, even though it's 1189.47, even puts it above that high of day of the open on the 23rd, 1189.47 with the 1189.50 close. So if you want, you could still use a close above the 119 1193.60 level to get rid of the rest of that SRTY hedge that we added. But I'm taking all of that SRTY hedge off, which will leave me with a very small position, about 1%. And then once again, a close above 1192. I believe that's above the April levels. That will, or the, yeah, the April levels that will end that. Let me make sure, guys. I'm sorry. I should have checked this before making the video, but I'm kind of busy on my end. Where is that? Boom, boom, boom. I guess it's the March rate I'm looking for. 1205, 11.9, 1205. Here's 11.8, 1192.81. So close above 1192.81. Half of the hedge comes off, leaving us with 0.5. And then the next level would be a close above the 1205 level, and 1208. 1208.65 will end the rest of the hedge. So SRTY will be taken off that way. So 50% sell there. And despite all of that action, the Dow Jones Industrial Average still not doing much for the week. It was actually down. The S&P 500 not doing much, but look at how tight the trading is. And once again, if you're on an island, this looks extremely bullish. Look at all of the pocket pivot point signals for the week. The S&P was basically flat. New York Stock Exchange, its brother, looks the same way, and you can see all the pocket pivot signals there. So everything looks good. We still do have the hedge that we have to take off, and we do have a full sell in BPTH. I was worried that the stupid thing would completely reverse, and it did happen. We got out of 25% for a 9% gain here, which wasn't bad, but now we've lost all of our gains. And since that's the case, and huge volume, and we lost the green bop again, this catalyst for this trade's over. So BPTH is a full sell, and RAX. Oh boy. Thank God we obeyed this signal the day before to get rid of half of it. So RAX closed here at 36.28. The close at 36.28 gave it a confirmation close below the 20-day moving average, with us losing the earlier gains from our long signal at the end of May. That, along with the 10-day moving average rolling below the 20-day moving average, gave us a 50% sell. Very timely because RAX shit the bed on Friday, making a full sell. Now, for new longs, there were probably a ton of possibilities, but with Russell rebalancing, we throw everything out the window. Since I only have 1% cash, there was one signal I do want to take. HZMP, there were two missed sells out of trading scared from, what day was that? What day did we do that? On the 24th, when the market pulled back. The two sells I'm regretting now in hindsight is Hun. Hun, as you can see, closed below the 20-day moving average, but not on above average volume. Why did I sell any? Yeah, why? Why would I do that? Doesn't make any sense. So Hun was a mistrade, and the other mistrade was the new long position HZMP. You can see this is the new long signal. We're long here. The stock is still above the 20-day moving average. It's closing below the 10-day moving average on low volume. It's not even closing below the 15.15 low. Why then on the 24th did I sell, where is it, 50% of the position. 1530 is below the 1551 day of the signal. That's about now in hindsight the only thing I can think of, because I did not write down why I would have done this. This is called trading scared. I believe I might have saw the dollar amount down, and I hate holding losers, so that's got to go. So HZMP, now that it's righting its ship, getting a pocket pivot point signal above the 20-day moving average, I have to go ahead and add back that position. So HZNP, even though it isn't going to be the full 2.5% that I sold, still going to put 1% back of it on, because HZMP looks like it wants to move. If you don't want to add to that, what are your choices? You got a ton. DVA gave a signal. SALM gave a signal. Q-Core gave a signal. Like I said, you can't really trust these with all the Russell rebalancing. SPG, VNO gave a signal. CARB gave a signal. ALKS gave a signal. ECOL gave a signal. CLDN gave a signal. XNCR gave a signal. TLOG gave a signal. VMEM gave a signal. INWK gave a signal. SUPN gave a signal. PHM gave a signal. ISRG gave a signal. All these make for which new long should I take? Nah, not on Russell rebalancing. So we're going to stick to the one I know. 8GMP, pocket pivot point signal, bouncing right off the 20-day moving average. Shouldn't have been a sell in the first place, so I got to get it back. Other longs that we're holding that actually gave add signals, CL did, and so did MTX. So pick your poison. You got plenty to choose from. All right. Also, there's other ones I see here. Twin. There's another one. Twin. Yeah. So there's quite a few. How about that? Oh, and AMBA. Keep watching this one. I'm watching this one for a handle. ILMN, handle. Tesla, still can do a handle. Would like it to drift lower. SCTY, same thing. Handle. Would like it drift lower. Bottom line is this market looks great. See you on Monday, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Thank you.